Envision that you are a fish swimming in the sea. Out of nowhere, the water begins to vanish. You swim as quick as possible, yet it's no utilization. The expanses of land are drawing nearer and closer, and you're going to be abandoned on dry land. You glance around and see other fish in a similar tough situation. Some are overreacting, yet you keep mentally collected. You realize that you need to figure out how to get by ashore. You see a tree that has fallen into the water. You swim over to it and move on to a branch. Presently you're protected, however you're actually stuck. You watch out at the huge scope of land, and you can't help thinking about how you will get by. However, at that point you have a thought. You realize that fish can inhale air assuming they need to. So you begin to swim towards the shore. It's a long and troublesome excursion, yet at last you make it. You're the principal fish to at any point go to land. You investigate your new environmental elements, and you before long find that there are numerous different animals living ashore. You figure out how to adjust to your new climate, and you in the end flourish. You become an image of expectation for the wide range of various fish who are as yet abandoned in the water. This is only one potential situation of what might occur assuming Earth was half land and half water. It's a tomfoolery and interesting method for envisioning what our planet may resemble on the off chance that things were unique. The environment would be more limit. The land would be more sizzling in the late spring and colder in the colder time of year, and the sea would be more blustery. There would be less new water accessible. Individuals would need to be more cautious about how they utilized water, and there would be more dry spells and floods. There would be less biodiversity. The land would have the option to help less various sorts of plants and creatures, and the sea would be more dirted. People would need to adjust to the new climate. They would have to track down better approaches to get food and water, and they would need to foster new advances to make do. In general, a world that is half land and half water would be a totally different spot than the one we know today. It would be a position of limits, both with regards to environment and biodiversity. People would need to adjust to the new climate, however it would likewise be a position of extraordinary open door and experience.